Welcome back to Reborn Cycling. My name is Alex, and today I'm going to teach you how to bake a cake. I'm joking. Today we have 15 minutes of cycling, and our goal is to be out of breath. So, first we're gonna start with very short warm-up. So, just as usual, I want you to put your bicycle in negative resistance, and then spin it as a city. Our warm-up is gonna be just maybe like 1.5 minutes, and after that, we're going to push our limits. So, spin it as fast as you can. Woo. So just 30 more seconds, and then we're gonna increase. We're gonna go uphill. Control your breathing. Eyes on the prize. Keep your shoulders back and chest up. The core, you can keep your core tight as you can. Now I want you guys to push down the knob. 30 seconds, and then each 30 seconds we're going to increase. Hey mama. All right, and 5, 4, 3, and go up. "30 seconds, guys. It's more and more difficult to pedal. All right, now we're gonna increase one more for 30 seconds. Woo! All right, 15 seconds. Then we're gonna stand up. And 3 and increase. Then say and go. 1 minute up. Let the music take control tonight. You can see the resistance right now is very high. It's very hard to pedal. 30 seconds, then we're gonna lower the resistance. As I said, chest up, shoulders back, and we bounce on our legs. We go up, left, right, left, right. Now guys, we're gonna sit down. 30 seconds, very fast. Negative resistance, go. Let's make love. 30 seconds. As fast as you can. And let's make love. Let's make workout tonight. Now we're gonna stand up. 30 seconds. Stand up. 30 seconds up, then 30 seconds down. Let's make love. Open up your heart. Yeah. So, how do you feel? Now we go down. We go down, negative resistance, spin as fast as you can, and go. All right, there is some sound, but it won't stop us. You go fast as you can. Woo! Can you try without hands? Then we get our hands, go. Now I'm gonna stand up. So increase the intensity and we're gonna stand up for 1 minute. One minute up. Dance, dance, let's go down. Turn it up, your feet. And if you watch my previous workout, now is the perfect time to do something with our hands. So we can do the crisscross applesauce. The crisscross applesauce. Crisscross applesauce. Almost 1 minute, guys. Then we're gonna sit down and we're gonna spin as fast as we can. In 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Sit down, negative resistance, and go as fast as you can. In a bubble, bubble. Trouble. We're trouble because we are running as fast as a police car. How fast can you go? Show me. I want all your sweat, your breath. I want you breathless, sweaty. All right, 15 more seconds, guys. 50 more seconds, then we're gonna stand up for 1 minute. 10, 5, 3, 2, 1, increase and go. It's high resistance, so you really need to use your whole body to push down. And we're gonna do the crisscross applesauce. Are you ready? Two taps. Middle, 2 taps. Middle, 2 taps. You can concentrate on your hands movement. Keep your eyes. You can watch how it goes. I really don't need to do that. We do the crisscross applesauce. It's funny, right? Because our workouts are fun, educational, and extremely good for our bodies. All right, 20 more seconds, guys. Then we're gonna sit down and we're gonna go as fast as a police car. I want you to use your whole body. When we're standing up, use the whole body. All right. In 3, 2, 1, we go down. And we push on negative resistance. How fast can you go? I can make you cleanse up. You don't even know. I can make your hands clap. I can make your hands clap. Somebody save your soul, 'cause you've been sinning in the city. I know. You make your hands clap. These lovers got you losing control. You like a drug to me, a luxury, my sugar and gold. I want you to clap your hands, just like from the song. When he says, I can make your hands clap, and we clap. I can make your hands clap. Said I can make your hands clap. Every night when the stars come out, am I the only living soul around? All right, guys, and now we're going to stand up.
Something good right now. We could be screaming till the sun comes out. And when we wake, we'd be the only sound. Get on my knees and say a prayer.
We're gonna sit down and clap.
That can make your hands clap.
Fast, 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 go. Make your hands clap.
My flesh is searching for your worst and best will never do.
Up.
I'm like a stranger, give me danger. All you're holding the right. Secrets on my way to the
Crisscross applesauce.
feel no conviction. Grips of life can only sweeten your life.
Sit down.
But you don't even know.
I can make your hands clap. I can make your hands clap.
Every night when
Stand
the
up.
stars come out, am I the only living soul around? Need to believe you could hold me down.
Are you there with me?
Something good right now. We could be screaming till the sun comes out. And when we wake, we'd be the only sound. Get on my knees and say a prayer.
Are you ready? We're gonna sit down.
Your hands clap.
And fast. Guys, we just have 3.5 minutes. I want you to give me the best of you, fast as you can. I can make your hands clap. Just 3 more minutes. Fast, 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 fast. Now, guys, I want you to put in neutral resistance because right now we have our cool down because we are cool or because we're hot, we're too hot and we need to cool down. So just normal speed, we're going on a flat surface. I want you to listen to the music. I want you to let in the music. Relax your mind, relax your body, relax your soul. You can even have a shot of water. There you go, that's really nice. We just have 2 more minutes. 2 more minutes where we have to cool down our bodies, to normalize our breathing, our pulse, our heart rate. So I'm just gonna slowly pedal. I'm gonna relax my upper body. I can even twist. You can twist your core, stretch it. We stretch our hands, stretch the arms. So first we're gonna stretch the right one. And you can really pull it on the back. And then the other hand, you just really need to pull it back. Then we can do the elbow. And the other elbow. Just relax. Relax the wrist. That was such a great workout. It's like if you don't have time, you can always have 15 minutes to quickly do this workout with me. You can do it as many times as you want during the week. You can do it on your lunch break. You can do it before sleep, after you wake up before work. Because it's really intense, it's really quick, it's really efficient, it's really good. We just have 40 more seconds and then we are going to cross that finish line like winners. Not like sausages, like winners. And if you think that wasn't enough, you know where to find me. I'm always there at Reborn Cycling and Reborn Running, where I'm waiting for you to take me and be your coach. So that's all for now. I will see you in my next class. Bye.